Hi friends, welcome back to a new session in morphology. So far in the chapter on morphology, we have traveled quite a bit. Right? We started with roots, we finished stem, we did leaf, we covered flower and inflorescence. The topics which are remaining now to be done are fruits, seeds, and families. Today, we take up the topic of fruits, right? Uh, yeah, we all know what fruits are, but the idea and concept of fruit that we have in our mind, uh, is slightly different from what actually we are going to study. See, if I were to ask you right now, what's your favorite fruit? Right now, you would be quick to pounce to say like a mango or a banana or a pineapple or whatever are your favorite fruits, right? But the fruit is a product of the fertilization, be it edible or not edible, right? Now, please. So, fruit is, when we go out, let's say, let's go and buy fruits. So, जो fruit हमारे दिमाग में है वो vegetable fruits वाला नहीं, whatever is the product of the plant, right now, even something like your favorite up till now pea plant, right now, so the pod is the fruit of the pea plant, isn't it? So we call it as a vegetable, isn't it? So fruit is nothing but the product of fertilization. Now how are we going to define fruit, right? Let's start the discussion on fruit, please. So fruit is defined as a metamorphosed or a ripened ovary, a ovary which has undergone metamorphosis, change. Right now, see when fertilization occurs, right? Fertilization में क्या होता है? The pollen grain is deposited on the stigma. फिर वो pollen tube से male gamete नीचे जाएगा ovule में, where the male gamete will fuse with the female gamete. Right now. So what is going to happen now? Two things are going to happen. Within ovule is going to change to seed, but the entire ovary is going to change to fruit. So it's a metamorphosed or a ripened ovary without or with one or more seeds. So it could have a single seeded fruit, it could be a multiple seeded fruit, or it could be a fruit without any seeds, right? So ovary is developing into a fruit after successful fertilization. Fruits, if they develop without fertilization, then these kind of fruits are called as parthenocarpic fruits. Carp का मतलब होता है fruit. Partheno means without. See, uh, if this process is occurring in plants, we say it is parthenocarpy. But if this process is occurring in animals, we say is parthenogenesis, right? Parthenogenesis. जैसे we find in case of honeybee, right? Honeybee में the male drone fertilizes the queen. The queen lays two types of eggs: eggs which are fertilized and eggs which are unfertilized. Right now, so fertilized eggs may say the female worker bee is coming. The unfertilized egg may say the male drone is haploid, obviously, because it is unfertilized. So इसको parthenogenesis बोलते हैं हम लोग. So animals में term parthenogenesis है, plants में term parthenocarpy. Right? Like banana, grapes, right? Now you'll be talking about parthenocarpy more when you do the topic of plant hormones in the chapter of plant growth. ठीक है? So first the definition of fruit is very clear. Fertilization के बाद whatever structure is formed from the ovary is called as fruit. Okay, yes, you can see this. It is the ovule. Now again, I had to bring this example only for you, your favorite pea plant, right? So the ovules, can you see multiple white dots here? They are the ones which have become the seeds, and the entire ovary has become the complete. So ये complete pea pod जो है ना, it is called as the fruit. Now if you can see this beautiful pea flower, right ना? कौन सा estivation है? Vexillary, vexillary estivation, 5 petal वाला, ठीक है? Okay. Now fruits are of two types. देखो अभी तक मैं क्लासिफिकेशन स्टार्ट नहीं किया मैंने. We just trying to make some base for the classification. Fruits are either true fruits or false fruits. Strange, isn't it? अब तक true false हमने खाली क्वेश्चन पेपर में किया था. Now even fruits have become true and false. A true fruit is the one which develops exclusively from the ovary. That means no other part except the ovary takes part in formation of fruit, like in case of mango, right? So mango is called as a true fruit. Now false fruit, right? If apart from the ovary तो part लेगा ही लेगा fruit formation में, but if other parts of the plant, right, where is the ovary attached to? Thalamus, right? Now so if let's say thalamus is participating alongside the ovary और ये सब मिलके fruit बना रहे हैं, then such a fruit is called as a false fruit. It is called as a false fruit, right? So ovary अगर सिर्फ और सिर्फ ovary से develop होगा fruit तो true. Ovary plus some other floral part से fruit बनेगा तो false, right? A very classical example is apple, right? See, when you cut the apple, see when center में से वो brown color के seeds तो दिखते हैं अपने को, right ना? Then you remove that small leathery part center में से, right? अब बचता है पूरा वो fleshy part, the one which we consume, which we eat. That fleshy part is nothing but thalamus. That fleshy part is nothing. So actually जो तुमने वो leathery part और वो seed निकाल के फेंक दिया ना, that was the fruit part, right now. Now I want you to recollect something. In the previous lecture, we had done epigynous flower, right? याद आ रहा है? याद दिलाऊं? ये देखो, on your screen. Look at this. Can you see that ये बीच में जो है वो पूरा कार्पेल है, स्टिग्मा स्टाइल, ये ओवरी अंदर है. What has happened? The thalamus has grown and it has covered the ovary completely. मतलब ovary अंदर है, thalamus ऊपर है. Now imagine the apple का structure. पूरा अंदर जो ovary से fruit बन रहा है वो बेचारा अंदर है, and it is completely enclosed by the thalamus receptacle जो fleshy हो गया है अभी. That has become the fleshy part now, right now. So if somebody is asking you apple का flower, so bindas, it is epigynous. उल्टा एपिगाइनस से कौन सा फ्रूट बनेगा? फॉल्स फ्रूट. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? एपिगाइनस वाला लिंक समझ में आया अपने को? ठीक, ओके. सो फ्रूट्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. वी गॉट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स फ्रूट्स. नाउ फ्रूट्स, अभी भी क्लासिफिकेशन पे नहीं पहुंचा हूं मैं. कैन बी, राइट? नहीं, अभी स्ट्रक्चर. फ्रूट हैज two parts, the pericarp and the seed. The wall of the fruit is called as the pericarp, right, which is coming from the ovary ka wall, obviously. So ovary wall develops as the wall of the fruit. That is the pericarp. Now pericarp at times can be dry, at times can be fleshy, right? Now अब we will study both the cases. कि dry pericarp and fleshy pericarp. Apart from the pericarp, you've got the seed. Obviously, अंदर के जो ovules है, they will develop into the seed. So ovary में the wall of the ovary develops as the wall of the fruit, whereas उसके अंदर जो ovules है, they are developing as seeds, right? So fruit के कितने parts है? Pericarp and seed. एप्पल का स्ट्रक्चर वापस से, राइट? एप्पल काटा, ब्राउन सीड्स निकाला अंदर से, फिर वो जो लेदरी पार्ट अंदर, हाँ, दैट लेदरी पार्ट वाज पेरिकार्प. मतलब आपने पेरिकार्प भी निकाल दिया, आपने सीड भी निकाल दिया, मतलब पूरा फ्रूट तो आपने निकाल के फेंक दिया. सो इन एप्पल व्हाट यू हैव कंज्यूम्ड, आई टोल्ड यू, इज थैलेमस. ठीक है ना? सो फ्रूट ऑलवेज हैज टू पार्ट्स, पेरिकार्प एंड सीड. नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू, पेरिकार्प कैन बी fleshy, and this pericarp can be divided into three parts. Let's see what are the three parts. Right? ये देखो NCERT वाला इमेज लिया तुम्हारा मैंने. The epicarp, the outer part of the fruit wall which forms the skin or the protective covering of the fruit. अब देखो epicarp मैंगो में लेबल्ड है, लेकिन कोकोनट में यहां पर लेबल नहीं किया हुआ एपिकार्प, राइट? प्लीज, जितने भी एनसीईआरटी के इमेजेस है, डायग्राम्स है, उसको बहुत बहुत ध्यान से देखना है, उसके लेबलिंग्स को देखना है, राइट ना? आई ट्राई टू पॉइंट आउट द माइनर थिंग्स विच आर गोइंग अननोटिस्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स एट टाइम्स. सो यहां पर एपिकार्प इज नॉट लेबल्ड because coconut का original fruit what we break from the tree, right now, or if you have taken that नारियल पानी, तो ऊपर ग्रीन वाला कवर जो है ना पूरा एकदम ग्रीनिश, हाँ, that is the epicarp, right now. You've seen that नारियल पानी वाला slicing of that green part, पूरा green part निकाल देगा, then you will get that brownish part which is labeled here now as mesocarp, right now. So that hairy part on that brownish structure is that mesocarp. But mango में mesocarp is your juicy fleshy thing which we are consuming, right now. So mango में the skin of the mango is the epicarp, the pulp, the fleshy pulp is the mesocarp, right? अब पूरा मस्त एकदम पैसा वसूल, you have eaten the mango, what you have is the hard part, that is not the seed, that is the endocarp, that is the endocarp. If you break open the endocarp, right ना, जिसको हम लोग गुठली बोलते हैं आम की, right ना, if you break open that, inside is the seed of the mango, right? So is that endocarp hard and stony now here? Getting it? So mango के अंदर you have the epicarp, देखो यहाँ पे labeled है, the mesocarp and the endocarp. देखो endocarp के अंदर seed है, whereas in the coconut the green part is the epicarp, वो जो hairy part है वो mesocarp, right? पूरा hairy part निकाल दो, right? You go to that local baniya to buy nariyal ना, right now you pick up that brown nariyal and you do that tuck tuck checking बराबर है कि नहीं. You don't understand anything, but still you do it to see if it is proper or not. So the hard part na, that is the endocarp, that is the endocarp. So in every fruit that you study, right ना, examples नहीं सारे हैं, जहां पर भी applicable है, right? You should have a fair idea about pericarp, epicarp and endocarp, right? It is not essential that all these three may be present. हो सकता है एक present हो, absent हो, right? But pericarp can be divided into three parts: epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. देखो meso पे क्या लिखा है? Middle part of the fruit which forms the major pulpy or juicy part of a fruit as in mango, but लेकिन coconut में applicable नहीं है, वो तो hairy structure है जिससे कोई रस्सी वगैरह बनती है. Endocarp is the inner part of the fruit wall which may be thin and membranous as in orange, right now. Orange के अंदर when you open up the orange, that rind of the orange is your epicarp, right now. The slice mesocarp, right ना, अंदर का जूसी पार्ट नहीं, नॉट द जूसी पार्ट, राइट ना. वो जो हेरी स्ट्रक्चर अंदर से निकलेगा ना, वो तुम्हारा endocarp hai, right? Now when you open that hairy part, whitish hairy part, right? Now whitish membranous part is your, okay, the skin of that slice, the skin of that slice, right? Now skin of that slice, slice का जो ऊपर का पतला सा skin होता है ना, that is your endocarp. Or hard and stony as in case of mango, plum, coconut, right? ना mango में भी endocarp is hard, coconut में भी endocarp is hard, plum अगर वो reddish वाला खाया है, right? ना उसमें भी when you consume totally तो अंदर से hard part बचता है, that is your endocarp. ठीक है? So peri, epi and mesocarp. Are you clear about what is the fruit? Right? Fruit का definition. Second part, what are the types of fruit, true fruits and false fruits, and thirdly fruits में कितने part होते हैं? दो. You have a pericarp and you have a seed, right? So next we would like to talk about classification, right? So classification here I think we will take up the next video.